Don't we need to walk down the aisle?
What?
I can't my underwear.
One at a time. Wait, one at a time. No! Yes, one's gonna walk down the aisle, and then you can one's gonna walk down the aisle.
No, we both go at the same time.
Well, you guys are getting married at the same time. One's gonna walk down the aisle at a time.
Alright. Man, I got facial hair, not a man. I can't my underwear. Oh, man.
I can't do anything.
Where are you going? I don't know.
Now. Okay. We read the small words
Hold
in
your
here.
gun.
Check me on, Drew.
Hold them up at the
Sorry,
camera.
these words are very small in here.
Okay. I got facial.
Shut up, we're gonna get disqualified from this wedding.
Oh, man.
We're gonna We are gathered here today.
No,
To marry these two women.
no, I'm a woman. I got facial. Now I'm a woman. She's underwear.
We're headed to marry two women.
Two
Two men.
getting married. Yeah, we're getting married. Yeah.
Let's start over.
I'm gonna be Mrs. Mickey and you're gonna be Mrs. whatever.
Yeah, we're gathered here today to marry a man and a woman and another man and a woman. Now, if there's any people against this marriage, you'll object this wedding. Please raise your hand.
What do you
Object and you're disqualified. Now, anyways,
object?
Mr. Coco. Oh, you're so cute.
Yeah.
Do you take?
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Coco. Mr. Coco.
Yes.
Take this woman to be. What? And whatever else happens in life.
Yes.
Say I do.
I do.
Okay. And
Yes.
Mrs. Coco, do you take this man to be your lovely wedded husband?
I
And
do.
took with him to help
I do.
And whatever happens in their life. No, do you?
I do.
Now, Mr. Depp.
My little Nicole's growing up. It's too soon.
Okay, I'm fine now.
Sister's scaring me.
Okay, Mr. Depp. Yes. Do you take this woman or whatever she is, this creature,
From Dead and Beyond.
do you take this creature from dead and beyond or whatever you said, and to be your lovely wedded wife to sickness and to health and whatever else you want to do, whatever.
No, I'll be like Sweetie Todd.
Yeah.
He's doing a Sweetie Todd.
Yeah, I know another movie thing.
Yeah.
With this.
Yeah, it's so funny.
Now,
I'm doing a Sweetie Todd.
and Mrs. Depp. Yes. Do you take this?
I'm so happy!
Do you right now? Okay, I can do that. Now, do you take this creature from dead
You're
and
fine,
beyond
Ralph.
to be your lawfully wedded husband through sickness and through health, whatever else happens in life?
I do.
You know, oh, I forgot to say, there you kiss the bride.
Yeah, I know, right?
Not that bride. Now, kiss the bride. Kiss the bride.
I'm so happy! Yeah. I need to marry you now.
No, I get to help.
We're gonna use the cover.
Oh, man, Chowder. Oh.
We're gonna use this cover.
I want you to explain the top.
Oh, that's my mom's underwear drawer.
Yeah, I did.
Poor guy.
Isn't it cute? Look at that little,
Oh,
dimples. He's got little dimples. Oh.
He's gonna do it.
And he's got a pimple. Oh man, I'm good. Oh my gosh. Oh hey, he's hot. Heck yeah. Chowder, stop eating the wedding cake. Bad boy.
Wait, let me get his hands on there.
There you go.
Hurry up before I knock you off that book.
Now what do we say first?
Mrs. Chowder,
Yes.
do you take this can of soup to be
Mr. Chowder, it's not a can of soup.
this
It's
can
more
of
than that
soup
to me.
to be your lovely,
He is your president, and he sure was.
wooden wife?
He's not wooden.
I mean husband, not wife. Did Mr. Chowder this can of soup? Do you take this freaky looking lady to be your not so lovely, not so wedded, not so wife?
I do.
Okay. You may not kiss. Right.
Little Nicky's growing up. He's growing up. You're growing up. I'm just so happy.
He's so happy for you.
The happiest day of my life.
Kristen, it was like I'm cool in the house, remember?
Well, that concludes our.
What
What is he doing?